What's up, fellow drift racers? Lycan-Strife here, Drift Wolf Gaming, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade track and still enter the leaderboards of the Drift Online Games challenges. Stay tuned.
Drift Racer Innovative Future Tech.
So this is actually what I've done. I've used two tape measures and I've put a weight on it, like a lifting weight. So they're intersecting right here on the 140 exactly and on the 270. So I have one on the side right here. This is going to be the side of the track, the left side where you do your measurements. It's 1 meters and 40 centimeters. And then we're going to go this way, all the way this way. There's another tape measure. And it should go to 2 meters and 70 centimeters. Now, I have it a little bit over here, but that's fine because we're not going to be at the end of the track anyway. So this is going to be your whole play space. As far as you can see, that's step one actually. I mean, everybody should have tape measures laying around at the house. And if you don't have two or like a weight that I do, just tape them on the floor with some clear see-through tape or something, or maybe color tape so you can easily remove it after that. That's step one. Step two, measure every single point. Every single point. I got these two tape measures. I make sure that they're still in the same order as they're laying around, trying to follow the laminated floor. And then what you do is you measure everything from the side and the bottom, and you're gonna get this set up right here, just how it's designed. Now, how I made this is very simple. You have these coasters, and you have this stuff, which is called Buddy, from the brand Pritt, P-R-I-T-T, as far as I know. And this is like a substance. It looks like gum, but you can easily pull it off. So if I grab a little piece with one hand real quick. It's for hanging up posters and not getting stuff stuck on the wall. So you just roll it up into a ball. You put it on the floor. You press it. Grab one of the coasters. Press down with your thumb, and it doesn't go anywhere. Now I can just pull it off easily like that. Grab this. Turn it around again. Put it on this thing again, on the whole original thing, and you're done. So now all I need to do is to make something to connect these two, and this one and that one over there, because this is the roundabout where you have to go around. Now, if you don't have enough of these coasters, you can always, of course, look for a peanut butter glass thing, because it's almost identical. Maybe it's like 1 millimeter difference, just like the thing that I showed you in the last video. See if you go up on it. There's a little, tiny little edge sticking out, maybe 1 millimeter, maybe less. But you can use this as well, and that's something homemade. I might actually put this up on the track in a few seconds. Step 3, find something to make the barriers, the longer version. So here I just have the peanut butter jar. Here's a couple of knives from the kitchen in a straight line. And here's a piece of wood that my girlfriend has to use for her paint, which is right there. So yeah, this is actually the track how it is right now. It's super simple. You're going to be, well, with measuring and everything, you're going to be done like 5 to 10 minutes or something like that. Depends on if you're fast or not. I know how to do this now, so I'll be faster in the future. But yeah, it's really easy to do. I'm going to leave the tape measures here with the weight on there. I have my speaker set up and everything. And I'm ready to go to do the online challenge once more with the homemade track. let's see what we have. Should be good this time. 105. Okay, so slowest 22,620 and the fastest was 21,900. Okay, now we're gonna go to a wet lap, just real quick. We're gonna try this again. We're putting it on race mode, wet track, 2 laps, start race. It's gonna connect right now. It always does the countdown with the lights. You can always hold the handbrake and start revving and then let go, like launch control. So we're gonna do that. Across the line. That was really weird. On wet, it's just such another story, which I think is cool. So we're going to stop it right here. It's my face again in the camera. And we're going to check out what happens right now. So the slowest is 23,360. That was lap 1, and the second one was the fastest, of course. But I cut a corner here or there, so give or take some penalty. But yeah, this is just how you set up your track. If you don't have a barrier set from Stormkind.com and the track. So everybody can do this at home. You probably have some coasters laying around. You have a start-finish line that you can either print out or comes with your car. You can use your peanut butter jar right there with the Mercedes on top if you have a Mercedes. And use some knives or whatever. There's so much stuff that you can grab and use to make this track on your own without having the beautiful parts. In my case, the track and the track barrier set, which makes it look, of course, even cooler than this. But this works really well, and you can still put yourself on the leaderboard, do this online challenge. Stay tuned for more online challenges, and stay tuned for tonight, because tonight, this Friday, today, right now, in a couple of hours, 7 o'clock, European time, Dutch, German time, I don't know, there's going to be a live stream. And we're going to do live streams in English as well soon, so keep your eye out for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Lycan-Strife, Drift Racer out.